Hi friends, welcome to GK Plus. This is the fourth part of 100 Indian history questions and answers. So, let's get started. Moving to first question. In Jainism, perfect knowledge is referred to as answer C. Kaivalya. Kaivalya means knowing everything in Jainism, referred to as a person who has total and supreme knowledge. According to Jainism, Mahavira became an ascetic and left his home at the age 30. He attained Kaivalya at the age 42. Here, option A, Nirvana. What is Nirvana? Jains believe in rebirth. Their souls, which are believed to be a unique substance in the world. Souls take different living forms in the cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. Attaining nirvana means release of soul from karmic bondage. But how do they reach in nirvana? It needs three jewels or three ratnas. First one, Samyak Darshana, means right belief. Second one, Samyak Gyan, means right knowledge. Third one, Samyak Chaitra, means right conduct. These three are three jewels in Jainism. Here, option D, Jaina. What is Jaina? Tirthankara. Tirthankara means spiritual teachers are the Jaina in Jainism. Second question. The daughter who milks animals in the Vedic period was known as answer B, Duhitra. Duhitra was the term used for daughter because she used to milk the cow. Third question. Bimbisara was succeeded by options A, Ashoka, B, Ajatashatru, C, Vasudeva, D, Chandragupta Maurya. Here answer B, Ajatashatru. Bimbisara was succeeded by his son Ajatashatru. Ajatashatru was the son of Bimbisara. He shifted the capital of Magadha from Giriviraj to Pataliputra. They belonged to Haryanka dynasty. Bimbisara and Ajatashatru belonged to Haryanka dynasty. Moving to fourth question. Which of the following Kushan kings who assumed the title the Lord of the whole world? Options Kadaphises 1, Kadaphises 2, C. Kanishka, D. Huvishka. What's the answer? The answer Kadaphises 2. His other name was Vaima Kadaphises. Okay. Kadaphises 2, other name Vaima Kadaphises. He was the son of Kujula Kadaphises. What was the name of his father? Kujula Kadaphises. Kujula Kadaphises was the founder of Kushan dynasty. Who was the founder of Kushan dynasty? Kujula Kadaphises. Okay. Here, Vaima Kadaphises was the father of Kanishka. Okay. One more important point. Vaima Kadaphises introduced gold coinage in India. Okay. Who introduced gold coinage in India? Vaima Kadaphises. Vaima adopted the title of Lord of the whole world in his issued gold coins. Fifth question. The fourth Buddhist council was held at options A. Pataliputra, B. Vaishali, C. Kundalvana, D. Bodh Gaya. Here answer C. Kundalvana. Buddhist councils begin since the death of Gautama Buddha and have continued in the modern age also. What is the purpose of these councils? to resolve disciplinary and theological conflicts. These meetings are frequently termed as Buddhist councils. There were 6 Buddhist councils. Was the answer? The 4th Buddhist council was held at Kundalvana. Okay. 6th question. Megasthenes was succeeded as ambassador by answer C. Deimachus. Deimachus was a Greek of the Seleucid Empire. Deimachus was a Greek of Seleucid Empire, lived during 3rd century BCE. He became an ambassador to the court of the Mauryan ruler Bindusara. What was the other name of Bindusara? Amitragatha. He was the son of Chandragupta Maurya in Pataliputra in India. He was the successor to the famous ambassador and historian Megasthenes. 7th question. The author of the Periplus of the Erythraean Sea was a historian, B. poet, C. sailor, D. musician. Here answer C. sailor. It describes navigation and trading opportunity from Roman Egyptian ports, and the author is unknown. 8th question. During Karikala's rule, the important Chola port was. Karikala's rule, the important Chola port was. Here the answer B. Puhar. We can find evidence of trade in the Sangam poems. One such poem describes the goods brought into Puhar, an important port on the east coast. Here Karigala was a Chola dynasty king who ruled southern India. And one more point, he is recognized as the greatest of the early Cholas. Here Korkoi. Korkoi in Thoothukudi of Tamil Nadu lies the small village of Korkai. It was the early capital of Pandyas. What was the importance of Korkai? It was one of the greatest centers of pearl fishing in the ancient world. Here, what was the 4th option? Tondi. Here Tondi is also in Tamil Nadu. A. Calicut. Calicut located in Kerala. 9th question. The most famous Chera ruler was. Here answer C. Senkuttavan. Senkuttavan was one of the important and powerful rulers of South India as well as Chera Empire. Best known for sending the first embassy to China from South India. Who was best known for sending the first embassy to China? Senkuttavan. His capital was Vanchi. What was the capital of Senkuttavan? Vanchi. The navy of the Senkuttavan was the best navy in the world during that time. Here, option A, Udiyanjaral. The Udiyanjaral was the first recorded Chera ruler of the Sangam period. He was the first Chera ruler. Here, Nedunjiraladan was also a Chera ruler. He is the second Chera ruler. Was the first Chera ruler? Udiyanjaral. Nedunjiraladan was the second Chera ruler. His father was Udiyanjaral. Means Nedunjiraladan was the son of Udiyanjaral. Moving to 10th question. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? He answer C. Rigveda Samhita and earliest prose. For getting more details about Vedas, please watch previous videos of GK Plus. Moving to 11th question. The most important source of our information on ancient India's cultural history are. Answer C. Literature and epics. 12th question. The granary discovered at Harappa was located. Answer C. Near the river Ravi. It was a brick structure that was built on a massive brick foundation. It was near the river Ravi. 13th question. Which one of the following Harappan sites is not located in Gujarat? Answer C. Sutka Jandor. It is the westernmost non-archaeological site of Indus Valley civilization. It is located 480 km west of Karachi in Pakistan's Baluchistan. Sutka Jandor located 480 km west of Karachi, now in Baluchistan, Pakistan. Here, option A, Surkotada, located in Kutch, Gujarat. Sri J.P. Joshi discovered and excavated Surkoda. It is located on bank of the river Luni. Remains of horse was found here. Here option B, Rangpur. It is 80 km from Lothal in Gujarat. M.S. Watts found it in 1931. S.R. Rao excavated the site. Rice husks has been found from here. Option D, Deshalpur located at Nakhtrana Taluk in Kutch, Gujarat state. J.P. Joshi discovered and R.S. Bisht excavated Deshalpur. 14th question. Which of the old Harappan sites which has the most impressive drainage system? Answer D. Mohenjo-daro. The most striking features of this Harappan civilization is that they constructed their drainage system on very scientific lines. They had underground drainage system. The main sewer 1.5 meter deep and 91 centimeter across, connected to many north and south and east-west sewers. It was made from bricks, smoothened and joined together. Here answer Mohenjo-daro. 15th question. Which was probably the most popular assembly in which even women enjoyed an equal status with men in the early Vedic period? Here answer D. Vidata. Vidata seemed to be a more popular assembly than either Sabha or Samiti in Rigvedic period. Here option A, Sabha, B, Samiti. Vidata seems to be a more popular assembly than either Sabha or Samiti. In Vidata, both men and women participated. Vidata appears 122 times in Rigveda. It was a previous UPSC question. Vidata appears 122 times in Rigveda. It was an assembly meant for secular, religious and military purpose. Moving to 16th question. Which one of the following Indus cities has Houses with doors on the main streets. Answer A. Lothal. Lothal is famous for the discovery of several ruins of Indus Valley civilization. Lothal is located between Sabarmati River and its tributary Bogaro. Bogaro in the Saurashtra region. What is the exact location of Lothal? Lothal is located between Sabarmati River and Bogaro in the Saurashtra region. They made significant contribution to human civilization in the Indus era. Their contributions were in the field of city planning, art, architecture, science, engineering, pottery, religion. 17th question. In his inscriptions, Ashoka calls himself. Answer A. Devanam Priya Priyadarshini King. Ashoka refers to himself as beloved of the god or Devanam Priya, he who looks on with affection. What is the meaning of Devanam Priya Priyadarshini King? Beloved of the god, he who looks on with affection. 18th question. The Varnas came to be transformed into the hereditary caste during the period. Which period? That is the question. Here, later Vedic period, Gupta period, Mauryan period, Vedic period. Answer, later Vedic period. The Varna system became closed and rigid and transformed in the caste system during the later Vedic age. 1500 BC to 500 BCE was the later Vedic period. Gupta period was 319 to 467 CE. Maurya period 321 to 185 BCE. Vedic period 1750 to 500 BCE. 19th question. Which one of the following works deals with the history of Kashmir? Answer, Rajata Rangini. C. Rajata Rangini. Rajata Rangini is a historical chronicle of northwestern Indian subcontinent, particularly the kings of Kashmir. It was written in Sanskrit by Kashmiri historian Kalhana in the 12th century CE. Here, first option A, Gaudavaho. Gaudavaho means slaying of the king of Gauda. It was an epic poem composed by Vagapati Raja. Gaudavaho was an epic poem composed by Vagapati Raja. What was the meaning? Slaying of the king of Gauda. Vagapati Raja was a poet living in the court of Yashovarman, King Yashovarman of Kanuj. Here, option B, Harsha Charita. Harsha Charita was a biography of Harsha, Indian Emperor Harsha, by Banabhatta. Vikraman Ka Devacharita. Bilkhana. Here, Bilkhana was a young Kashmiri poet who wrote a long poem like Vikraman Ka Devacharita. It was also a poem in honor of his patron king Vikramaditya VI of Kalyan. 20th question. The Mehroli pillar inscription belongs to the period of the which period? This question. Mauryas, Kushanas, Sangas, Guptas. Answer, D. Guptas. The Iron Pillar of Delhi is a structure of 23 feet 8 inches high with 16 inches diameter. That was constructed by Chandragupta II. 23 feet 8 inches high with 16 inches diameter. Constructed by Chandragupta II. Okay friends, here fourth part is over. Please subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Press the bell icon. Thank you friends.